Patio door installation in Orangeburg, South Carolina, is a service that requires expertise and precision. Whether you're looking for sliding glass doors or French doors, finding the right patio door contractors in Orangeburg is crucial. Patio door companies in Orangeburg offer a wide range of patio door options, including energy-efficient patio doors and custom patio doors tailored to your specific needs. Sliding Patio Doors Orangeburg, SC, are a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their outdoor living spaces. These doors provide a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor areas, making them ideal for patios and decks. Patio door experts in Orangeburg can help you select the best sliding glass doors to suit your home's style and functionality. French doors in Orangeburg add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any home. These doors are perfect for those who want to create a classic look while maintaining functionality. Patio door services in Orangeburg can assist you in choosing the right French doors that complement your home's architecture and design. Patio door repair in Orangeburg is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your doors. Whether it's a broken lock, damaged glass, or worn-out hardware, patio door repair services in Orangeburg can address all your needs. Regular patio door maintenance in Orangeburg ensures that your doors remain in top condition, providing security and energy efficiency. Energy-efficient patio doors. Orangeburg are a smart investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. These doors are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Patio door solutions in Orangeburg include a variety of energy-efficient options that can help you save on utility bills while enhancing your home's aesthetic appeal. Custom patio doors in Orangeburg offer a personalized touch to your home. Whether you prefer vinyl patio doors or aluminum patio doors, custom options allow you to choose the materials, styles, and finishes that best suit your preferences. Patio door companies in Orangeburg can provide you with patio door quotes to help you make an informed decision. Patio door replacement in Orangeburg is a service that can transform the look and feel of your home. Upgrading to new patio door styles in Orangeburg can improve your home's curb appeal and increase its value. Patio door contractors in Orangeburg are experienced in providing seamless patio door replacement services, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Vinyl patio doors in Orangeburg are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. These doors are resistant to weathering and provide excellent insulation, making them an ideal option for homeowners in Orangeburg. Patio door brands in Orangeburg offer a variety of vinyl patio doors to suit different tastes and budgets. Aluminum patio doors. Orangeburg are known for their strength and sleek design. These doors are perfect for modern homes that require a minimalist aesthetic. Patio door hardware in Orangeburg is available in various finishes, allowing you to customize your aluminum patio doors to match your home's decor.